Hi, friends! Welcome to Kitty XYZ. Tap subscribe and let us learn and play.
Today we're learning some kitchen items. Let's explore together. Look, this is a spoon. We use it to eat yummy food. This is a fork. It helps us pick up pieces food carefully. This is a plate. We put our yummy food on it before we eat. Here's a bowl. We use bowls for soup, cereal, and snacks. This is a glass. We drink fresh water and juice from a glass. This is a cup. We drink warm milk or cocoa from a cup. This is a lunchbox. We pack our tasty lunch and snacks inside. This is a frying pan. Grown-ups use it to cook food safely. This is a cooking pot. We make soup and pasta in a pot. This is a peeler. Grown-ups peel potatoes and carrots with it. This is a grater. Grown-ups grate cheese and veggies on it. This is a gas stove. Grown-ups cook food on it safely. This is a rolling pin. It helps roll dough nice and flat. This is a kitchen towel. We use it to wipe spills and keep things clean. This is a refrigerator. It keeps our fruits, veggies, and milk cold. This is a toaster. Grown-ups use it to make warm, toasty bread. This is a blender. Grown-ups blend fruits to make yummy smoothies. Grown-ups use the cutting board to cut yummy fruits and veggies like these. This is a measuring cup. It helps grown-ups measure milk, water, and flour. This is a spatula. Grown-ups use it to flip pancakes and eggs. This is a whisk. Grown-ups whisk eggs and batter to make cakes. These are oven mitts. Grown-ups wear them to protect hands from hot pans. This is the sink. We wash our hands and dishes in the sink. This is a dish rack. Clean plates and cups dry here. This is a fruit basket. We keep apples, bananas, and oranges here. Great job, little chefs! Now you know so many kitchen items.
Thanks, friends! Like, share, and subscribe.